Bekira nsemo chimilioni ya 32 eryo guche gusira chiskuru chikuru amagero y'Chigasi cy'amaboko gose TVET aso mwaka w'echibesa w'echelefu 2025 na rimwe 2052 ebesa yakinigwe kuro chimilioni 25 ase omwaka yega ogenderete gukwanenga kiyogo cha kiwagu kubwaterana igati ye county ya Nyamira nebengi ya KCB ase kerenga gikuru obokonyi wa masomo gochiasa Abasae bakonyora amagero y'Chigasi cy'amaboko eme county ya Nyamira mugabara Amos Nyaribo nigaruro kubore gochiase borokyo gukora chikosi cyo bobundi bunenchira yemo yo kwerika emirimo na boigo kwenyorera engere yabo yakiralitiko moteneri bwemirimo yebengi ya KCB Joblino Maria sensemo yaye nigatogiri omurubiri uyo na kuokoboke serikali county iyo asobokonyo bo burengete Abasae egati abaikirana asomo yego yo ngamo naba MCA bechigori au na echi asechigori au che county ya Nyamira na boigo abo bisabande abanene be serikali ya county ya Nyamira tiango tarali na raliaya gendera kurase county ya Nyamira asomorubiri uyu.
My administration has allocated 32 million shillings in the financial year 2026-2027 to support vocational training. This is an increase from 25 million in the current financial year. Through these steps, we are enriching and making vocational training affordable and accessible. I call upon our youths to enroll and acquire these critical skills. We will continue to mobilize more resources through strategic partnerships to ignite and accelerate establishment and technology support to micro, small, and medium enterprises across the diverse sectors of our economy.
But this program is not about just skilling. We have the second phase of this program where we support these young people to start their own businesses. So hii ni kionjo tu, tumaliza muingie second phase, tuwafunze vile kuanza biashara. Ndio wewe si makofi kwa KCB, sio? That we don't do it just because it is important, but because we know when you are running a business, you create jobs for many other people.
This is the future of this country. When we look at these young people, we see the future, and we must prepare the future thoroughly right now. So, Your Excellency, I support you as the chair of education from from the assembly, and we want to work. We're working very well with your minister and the chief officer. They are really good. They are good, Your Excellency.
I'm also requesting your departments. Najua ni kitu department ya health imejaribu kufanya. Dr. Mogoyo nisikize. Hii kitu ya department ya health imefanya kule hospitali ya Keroka. Walikuwa wafanya partnership na Imbaro ya kutengeneza fabrics. I'm also requesting Your Excellency that your department mahali kazi inaweza fanywa na vocational training college wapewe hiyo kazi wafanye pia zikuwe na pesa.